Have you ever wondered why your account balance and buying power show different numbers? Let's break down what buying power actually represents for you. Buying power is the total amount of money you have available to trade securities like stocks or funds in your brokerage account. It starts with your cash balance, but buying power is often more nuanced depending on your account type and pending transactions. Several factors influence your available buying power, including how long it takes for a sale to officially settle in your account. While cash is what you have, buying power is what you can use. They are often the same, but not always. As your trades settle, your buying power adjusts. This chart shows how funds become fully available for new trades over a standard settlement cycle. The best rule of thumb is to check your account dashboard before hitting the trade button to ensure you have the necessary funds. Thanks for watching. Understanding your brokerage tools is the first step toward confident investing. Subscribe for more financial basics.